We're at Miyako Island and we're about to go snorkeling. Can you see me? I can't see anything. Here we go. So I was invited to go on to Miyako Island. It's a small island south of Okinawa on a snorkeling trip with the crew from Swim Oki. So see you later, ground crew. Here we go. After a really short flight, we were in our rental car with our host Lisa at the wheel. Now we got lost, but this video isn't about that. Less than a few hours ago, we were in Okinawa. Now we're on Miyako Island. And eventually we ended up on the dock after getting lost. We're on our boat and headed out to a secret spot for snorkeling. We made it to Miyako Island. I'm not sure if you can hear me or not. We are going snorkeling. It was a long time to get here, and I'm coming back from the States, so I'm a little jet lagged. But we're gonna see if we can't make go of this. We've got blue water, a bait. It's very choppy out today, so hopefully the boat ride doesn't make everybody throw up. I took a Dramamine, so I'm fine. But we've got a good captain here. He's good. Hi. All right. Good. He looks like he's confident. I don't know what he's saying, but let's go see some fishies. So it looks like we are at our snorkeling spot. Take a look. Right. So we're at the snorkeling place. They're gonna drop us right here in the water, right about there. There's some other people snorkeling. It should be pretty cool. The sun seems to be wanting to come out. I don't know, maybe later. Now our captain and crew had to secure the anchor to the reef. That meant that this girl had to dive in the water, go swim deep down, and secure the boat. And she dove in like a champ. I was just trying to find an anchor point for the boat. I took this opportunity to see how little Buddy was doing with all the excitement. What do you think?
Good, but I'm not gonna swim.
You're not gonna swim? No, why not?
It was like cold yesterday.
Yeah, but it's warm. The sun's out today. It'll be better.
Yeah, look at the sun.
Yeah, look at the sun.
The sun's out. Yeah.
You know what? I'm not gonna go anyways.
No.
So you gonna go on the glass bottom boat?
Maybe.
I'm gonna stay in this boat.
Okay. Okay. And as you can see in the water, there weren't a lot of fish in there, but there were plenty of scuba divers to watch.
I got you.
So snorkeling was a success. We all had a lot of fun. Let me see, you can see the boat behind me. There we go. But the skies are turning gray, so we're gonna get out of here and have lunch. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye, fish. After our snorkeling trip, we were pretty spent. I never knew snorkeling could make you that tired. Anyway, we were headed back to Miyako Island for some lunch, and the water this time was definitely more choppy on the way back in. And in no time, we were back in port. That was our first boat. Things didn't work out, so we took this boat. That water, that's blue water right there.
Excuse me. We're not Miyako. It's Shimano.
I'm having a great time on this trip. I want everyone to know, even though I'm dead tired, still having a good time. Are you having a good time?
Yes. You're tired?
Are you having a good time?
Fabulous time.
That's Coach Lisa from Oki Swim or Swim Oki. What is the actual name? Swim Life Oki. We got the minivan, which we've thoroughly trashed. We've trashed the minivan, but it does have a tray for soda, phone, and even charging. So you all know that did you get a normal room with like 2 beds and a small bathroom?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So I got the same thing, except we added another bed for Benny. And then somehow Lisa was able to get the presidential suite that has a jacuzzi bathroom. Is it a jacuzzi bath in your bathroom, or is it just in the middle of the living room? Like
Vegas style.
Yeah, like Vegas style, like champagne glass bathtub?
No.
Rose petals.
When you walk in the bathroom, there's the shower, and then hot tub jacuzzi up on the top, and there's like windows all around it.
Yeah, Vegas style.
Vegas style.
You go near our toilet, it opens.
It opens automatically?
Yep.
Yeah, and then it's dark until you flush it, and after you flush it,
Everything
it lights up.
It lights up? Now we go to lunch. Not sure where lunch is. His name is Yakisoba. Yakisoba. You don't have to go snorkeling to see fish, because there's fish everywhere. All right, watch the street. Car coming. Car coming. He's not slowing down. No. All right. What's the name of this place? How do you say that? Yep. Hamburger steak.
Hey, that's mine.
Something I'm not going to eat. Salad. And bread and rice. Lunch in a Jamaican restaurant on a small Okinawan island. Okay. But the food was awesome and the company was great. And after a great meal, the sun came out and we were back in the water. This time, little buddy took full advantage, and this time there were plenty of fish to see. And while I was off by myself, I got to see a sea turtle, which both amazed me and when it looked directly at me, kind of terrified me, so I wasn't sure what to do, so I turned off the camera and hauled ass out of there. I'm a big chicken. Now, we're over 1 year down in Okinawa, making new friends and going on amazing adventures. Remember everybody, life is what you make of it wherever you are. Me, I'm going to make as many memories as I can. Thanks for watching, and if you know anybody active duty or spouse in the military, please give them a handshake or a hug because it ain't easy, and I will see you next video.